Hi everyone, I'm Iroha. Welcome back to Learn Japanese with Iroha. Today, let's learn 10 Japanese greetings that you often hear in anime. Let's get started. Number 1. Ohayo. It means good morning. Anime characters often say Ohayo when they meet in the morning. Let's practice. Ohayo. Ohayo. Number 2. Konnichiwa. It means hello. This is a common greeting during the day. Let's practice. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Number 3. Konbanwa. It means good evening. You can use it at night. Let's practice. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Number 4. Oyasumi. It means good night. People say this before going to sleep. Let's practice. Oyasumi. Oyasumi. Number 5. じゃあまた. It means see you later. Anime characters often say this when saying goodbye to friends. Let's practice. じゃあまた. じゃあまた. Number 6. すみません. It means excuse me. It can also mean sorry. Let's practice. すみません. すみません. Number 7. 行ってきます. It means I'm leaving. Japanese people often say this before leaving home. Let's practice. 行ってきます. 行ってきます. Number 8. ただいま. It means I'm home. You often hear this when a character comes back home. Let's practice. ただいま. ただいま. Number 9. おかえり. It means welcome back. This is the reply to ただいま. Let's practice. おかえり. おかえり. Number 10. はじめまして. It means nice to meet you. People use this when meeting someone for the first time. Let's practice. はじめまして. はじめまして. Great job! You're one step closer to understanding anime. Quiz time! What does oyasumi mean? A. Good morning. B. Thank you. C. Good night. The answer is C. Good night. Great job! Now you know 10 Japanese greetings used in anime. Did you get the answer right? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. またね。